So I have $4. I'm gonna see if I can make a Jamaican dish. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna check is the chicken. The chicken is $4.24 and my budget is $4, so I'm gonna ask him to take out all of the chicken and leave me with one because I only need one piece. Hey, could you help me out? I only need one because I don't have enough money. I only want to purchase one. Please. Alright, so this is $1. Alright, so now let's get the rice. Let's get the cheapest rice possible. So this one is $1.79. Alright, so that's my total. So this, I have this amount of change. I'll use this to purchase the seasonings. Alright, so far we spent about $3. So we have about $1 remaining. 50 cents will go to the veggies and the next 50 cents will go to the seasonings. So now let's get straight into the preparation. First thing first, let's dice up the veg. Scallion. Next thing we're going to do, I work on the carrots. Onion. We have the red, green and gold pepper. Garlic. Alright, now that we work on the veggies, now let's work straight on the chicken. I'm going to break the chicken down. For the chicken, we're going to remove as much of the fat as possible. I'm going to wash these off. Alright, for the seasoning, we're going to add some all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, and a pinch of salt. Alright, I'm going to add some oil. I brown the chicken off. Alright, turn them over. Alright, now that the chicken is brown, we're going to add the veggies. So I'm going to be adding in the rice. Let me know in the comment section if you're a team wash rice or not. We're going to let this saute for about 5 minutes before we add some water. Add some butter. Let's add some thyme. Teaspoon of Jamaican browning. And you just want to add enough water to cover the rice. We're going to add 1 hot pepper. That's going to give it more flavor. Now would be a good time to taste the rice to make sure the flavor is correct. Needs a little bit more salt. So we add some more all-purpose seasoning. Alright, the food is done now, so I'm going to go ahead and plate it up. Alright guys, remember we only use $4 to make this meal, and this is enough for about 3 to 4 persons. You can see how the chicken looks good